Hello everybody, welcome back to Bell CB. Going to do a tune-up report on the RCI 2970N4. This is for 203, or else called Old Krabby in Maryland. Alright. 203, we're going to take the power, turn it all the way down. We're on AM. We'll look at this watt scale now, set for 100 on the top scale. Coming in a little under 10 there, and bring it all the way up to 100. Okay, over here I got a 500 slug. It says 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Audio, check, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and sideband, we'll turn this down. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. Alright. And that's it. There's no switches or knobs that we added, so we'll just check out the